Hey, what's going on, everyone? Vega here for SerpentX Tech, and in this video I want to share with you my results of testing out direct mining, right, to your favorite Sha256 pool, Braiins pool, F2 pool, versus Sha256 Asic boost through NiceHash. I wanted to compare the profitability, and obviously during this testing, of course, the mining or the market, the crypto market overall picks up a little bit, so I had to adjust for that and correct some math and stuff like that. But if we go to what to mine or what have you, looking at the Asic that I have, which is the M30S Plus, not the Plus Plus, but the Plus, because it's in immersion cooling system, it does get close to the Plus Plus. But we're looking at the mass specifically, looking at what the actual amount of Bitcoin that this Asic pulls in per day. Now, looking at some of the data that I have, on average per day, every 24 hours, I was earning about 0.00036 or 37 Bitcoin a day. That's not much, especially during when it was stagnant between 16 17k. But of course the market has picked up a little bit, and now on average it should be around 0.00042, somewhere in there, maybe 40. And I can safely say that is the case. But the difference between Asic boost, right, the Sha256 Asic boost through NiceHash, and direct mining is, well, there's two of them. One, you're gonna have to do KYC if you want to participate in this, obviously, because you're participating or using NiceHash. Whereas direct mining to your favorite pool, that may not require KYC and not verify the wallet and all that good stuff. So it's just gonna be a privacy concern. And then two, do you take an advantage of sometimes people overpaying? And the reason people are overpaying is because NiceHash added easy mining. So more users are trying to win solo blocks, and so they're paying for the Sha256 Asic boost hash rate, therefore sometimes overpaying, and you taking the profits. As you can see right now, the math here through NiceHash, which is incorrect, is saying I'm making 0.00055 Bitcoin a day. That's not accurate. I average it all out. It's about 0.000 041 or 40 Bitcoin a day, which aligns with what we're seeing here at the what to mine miner page. It's about somewhere in that range. If we were to look at the data throughout the same time period, it's basically the same. The Sha256 Asic boost and direct mine to your favorite pool is basically the same. Maybe Sha256 Asic boost gives you a little bit extra as far as Bitcoin, but it's not going to be a whole lot. And obviously, accounting for the recent market jump, I'm getting a little bit more than what I would have been. It would have been like 0.00038, somewhere in there, maybe 39. Whereas Asic boost on NiceHash, because people are overpaying, I might be making 4041. So it is a little bit more. It's not something I would just get all of your Asics switched over to NiceHash. But it's just a hair more, especially right now that easy mining has been made available for users, and people are flocking to that program or that application or that feature to try to hopefully win those solo blocks, which I talked about in a previous video or a later video. I don't know where it is in this timeline of this world, but it's somewhere out there on the channel. I just wanted to share this data. Asic boost versus the regular Sha256 direct mining. They're basically the same. You might get a little bit more via Asic boost, but then what are you giving up? Well, you're giving up privacy because you're going to need to verify through KYC on NiceHash. And you're also, there's a couple of pros and cons to either side of it. But let me know your thoughts. What do you think? Would you mind put your Asics to mine through NiceHash on Asic boost, or do you just direct mine whatever? Because I normally do it through F2 pool, Braiins pool. I just direct mine Bitcoin directly to my wallet. No problems, no issues, keep them moving. But that's going to do it for today's video. Let me know your thoughts down below. Do me a favor on the way out, hit the like button. Make sure to get subscribed, hit the notification bell to stay up to date, as well as check out some links in the description to help support the channel and what we do here. And I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.